This is Nyers. I just wanted to add a couple things to what I was talking about with the auxin hormone. Forgot to cover it in my previous entry, but I think it's important to note that auxin, when plants are growing, uh, the shoot tip of the plant is high in auxin concentration. One thing that um, a lot of botanists, a lot of horticulturists do is they'll cut the shoot tip of of a plant off, and that's the main source of auxin. So by doing that, when the shoot tip is there, it inhibits axillary bud um, like growth. Um, when the shoot tip is removed, the axillary buds are no longer inhibited, so they're allowed to grow freely um, when that happens. Um, so I just thought it was important to mention that. Um, and yeah, we talked about the rest of the hormones, the ethylene. We covered how high ethylene causes fruits to ripen pretty quickly in the presence of high ethylene. Um, and then just kind of a brief overview of what hormones are involved and what processes. So GA, the gibberellic acid, is involved in germination, uh, maturity and growth, flowering, and fruit development. Excuse me. Auxin is involved in maturity and growth, flowering, and fruit development. Cytokinins are involved in the same processes. That's why auxin and cytokinin we mentioned before, they kind of have an interesting relationship. So cytokinins are actually involved in maturity, flowering, and fruit development as well. Ethylene is involved in flowering, fruit development, and abscission. Um, and ABA, the abscisic acid, is of course involved in abscission and seed dormancy. Um, so yeah, I feel like I kind of glossed over those, so I just wanted to give a little bit more detail about um, those hormones and those processes. So thank you.